Your mortgage balance is not the number on your statement. And if your lender treats it like it is, you're already in trouble. What most people think the balance on your statement is current and accurate, but it isn't. It is a snapshot in time. The number today is already higher than it was yesterday, and it's going to be higher again tomorrow. So because your balance increases every single day, it's important to know what that is going to be by the time you refinance. This is why some lenders are off by thousands of dollars when they finally get to the numbers that are most important to you, instead of being able to provide that information to you up front. Now, when you refinance, your current lender has to be paid off in full. That means they have to know your actual unpaid principal balance plus the exact number of days of interest to get you through the closing date, and that's called the payoff. This is the amount required to be paid in full to your lender. If that number is even slightly off, somebody has to cover the shortage, and that small mistake could cost you thousands of dollars. Now, this is where most lenders get it wrong. They estimate, they guess, or even worse, they never even ask for the statement in the first place. They pull your credit and take the balance off of your credit report, which could be months behind. That leads to inaccurate numbers, bad decisions, and money left on the closing table. Accurate numbers lead to better decisions. So here's your first warning sign. The wrong lender doesn't ask for a statement. The right lender asks for it and calculates the correct numbers. If they're missing this, doesn't it make you wonder, what else are they missing? This isn't small. This is your money. The accuracy matters. Every dollar matters. Guessing isn't a strategy. Start with the truth, get the real numbers, and make confident decisions. Protect your future. Don't guess and take control. Upload a mortgage statement on refi-smart.com or simply reach out to me, contact me at YesTodd.com, and I'll give you the information that you deserve.